It's Chris again from B's Adventures, and I'm so excited to take you on this tour of this 2023 Rockwood 2614BS. As Kay and I looked inside, we were immediately impressed by the layout and design of this RV, and judging by the looks on our faces, I think you're going to love it too. First, let's look at this RV's sleek, modern design. The exterior features clean lines and a stylish color scheme. So we do have two slides on this RV. The forward slide is the bedroom. It's got storage there. All your water connections, ladder to get up on the roof are in the back. So as we pan around here, you can see the frameless windows, which is a really nice touch. So I don't know about you guys, but I like the way this one looks. So of course we got an awning. I believe this is 21 feet. Goes all the way across, covering both doors. You have an outside kitchen on this one as well. So up here on the roof we have a solar, max air fan, AC. You got slide toppers over both slides. These do come with the Goodyear Endurance tires, which is really good. Fully enclosed underbelly. It's also heated there, so you won't worry about having your tanks freeze. And this has got torsion beam suspension for your axles. You do have a power tongue jack in the front and twin 30-pound LP tanks. So looking at this outside kitchen area, we have a nice fridge here, really spacious. We do have a 2-burner stove. So moving on into the kitchen, we got a 12-volt Magic Chef refrigerator, 1.3 cubic inch microwave, 3-burner stove with an oven. Got a dual stainless steel sink with chef style sprayer head. Plenty of cabinet space underneath. Moving on into the living space, you have the theater seating here with cabinets up above. You do have reading lights above with USB charging ports. You do have a dinette there with storage underneath. There is an outlet underneath one of those, and that table is free floating. Sitting from the theater seats, you have this fireplace here, which also doubles as a heater. You got your sound bar, and the TV does pivot out of the way, which shows even more storage behind it and up above it. So this is what I was talking about, a little limited underneath the cabinet here for the sink. But you do have plenty of overhead storage here as we come around and pan to this cabinet here. Thermostat there, your entertainment TV, and there's a good view of the rear kitchen. And look, there's Kay making an appearance. So coming back here to the bedroom, that's your entrance door to the front bedroom area. You got dresser drawers underneath the wardrobe cabinet there. I love that front window. That does have blackout shade in it. And then coming around to the bedroom slide. This slide is actually pretty big. There is a queen bed in this slide, but if you took those two little end tables out, you could actually get a king bed in here if you want. Titan definitely approves. That is our baby boxer. He is just awesome. So again, another view of the bedroom with the queen bed. You do have some more storage up there at the front cap, and there is actually a lot of storage underneath the bed as well. So we come into the bathroom, you got a porcelain foot flush toilet, some room next to it for maybe a wastebasket. And when you come into the shower, you got plenty of height in there. I'm about 5'10" and I fit just fine. I like that it has the glass doors instead of the plastic shower curtain. You got a cabinet there with plenty of room, lots of countertop space, medicine cabinet up above, and it does actually have a max air fan in there as well. So this is solar on board. So what do y'all think? This is a really nice couples RV. You know, it's plenty spacious. Like I said before, this is half-ton towable if your truck is capable of towing upwards of 8,500 to 9,000 pounds. I know not every half-ton truck will do that. We particularly have a 2021 F-150 with a 5-liter V8, and ours is rated pull this RV. Give us a like, a thumbs up, tell us what you think. If you want to see more videos like this, let us know. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.